North Carolina law enforcement officers may soon have to think twice before using their tasers. This after a court ruled this week to restrict their use. Now, many agencies are concerned it will do more harm than good. WNCN's David Hurst joins us in the studio to explain. David?
Sean, the court says officers are not allowed to use their tasers for resistance alone. They can only use it if someone is creating an immediate safety risk. The ruling now has law enforcement agencies across the state moving to revise their taser policies.
It's a use of force used by law enforcement all across the state, usually to help subdue a suspect who is resisting arrest.
We will tase you if you don't comply, and a lot of times that gets results.
The Fourth Circuit Court of Appeals ruled this week that officers are not allowed to use their tasers unless someone is creating an immediate safety risk. For Wake County Sheriff Donnie Harrison, about a third of his deputies are equipped with tasers. He has concerns the new restrictions could lead to more injuries for both officers and suspects.
If that person is not a danger but yet will not comply, my concern is we're going to have to go hands-on.
The ruling came out in response to a lawsuit filed against the Pinehurst Police Department. A mentally ill man died in 2011 after officers tased him in an attempt to get him to let go of a post. The court ruled the pain caused by a taser is an excessive use of force that violates your constitutional rights under the Fourth Amendment.
Any officer will tell you that the last thing that they want to do is use any type of lethal force.
The Fourth Circuit spans 5 states, and now agencies in those states will have to modify their policies in order to line them up with what the court has ruled.
We don't want to hurt anybody, but we also got to have a job to do, and we have a family we want to go home to also. And that's why I say some of these people that's making these changes need to walk in our shoes a little bit more.
And many local law enforcement agencies tell us they're unsure of the implications of this new policy, which is already in effect. But all of them have already begun rewriting their policy on using tasers. Back to you.